If your Whirlpool electric range is displaying inaccurate temperatures, taking too long to preheat, or not heating at all, the oven sensor could be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll guide you through the process of testing and replacing it. Don't worry if this is your first time working on an appliance. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter and a Phillips screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your electric range or turn the breaker off. Grab a Phillips screwdriver and remove the 2 screws securing the terminal block cover. Slide the cover down and off, then set it aside. Next, remove the Phillips screws from the back cover. You can leave one screw loosely in place in the slotted cutout to help hold the panel while removing the others. Once the remaining screws are out, lift the panel off and set it aside. Locate the oven sensor harness on the top right side and disconnect the wires. Set your multimeter to ohms, the symbol that looks like an upside down horseshoe. Test across the 2 wires on the oven sensor. A good sensor should measure between 1000 to 1200 ohms at room temperature. If the resistance is not within range, the oven sensor has failed. If the resistance is within range, something else is causing your range to not operate properly. Remove the Phillips screw and pull the sensor out. Here's the old oven sensor and here's a new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Insert the oven sensor into the oven and secure it with the screw. Reconnect the oven sensor wires, then secure the back panel and finally the terminal block cover. Plug the power cord back in. Great job getting your Whirlpool electric range back to its best performance. We'd love to hear about your repair experience. Feel free to share how it went in the comments below. Remember, if you need a new oven sensor, you can easily find one right at AppliancePartsPros.com. Just make sure to have your model number handy and most orders will be at your doorstep in a couple of days. Thank you for letting us be a part of your repair journey, and we look forward to assisting you with your next project.